What approximate proportions by volume of water? Density of water given है 1 gram per centimeter cube and ethylene glycol C2H6O2 density given है 1.12 gram per centimeter cube must be mixed to ensure protection of an automobile cooling system to minus 10 degrees centigrade. So in this question they have asked that in what proportion by volume this water and ethylene glycol must be mixed so that the depression in freezing point is 10 degrees centigrade. Ratio of volume of water and volume of ethylene glycol क्या होगा मिक्सचर में so that the depression in freezing point is 10 degrees centigrade. Now let the volume of water divided by volume of ethylene glycol let it be equal to x. इसको इन्वर्स कर देंगे तो volume of ethylene glycol divided by volume of water will be equal to 1 by x. Now we know that mass by volume is equal to density. So volume is equal to mass by density. Now instead of writing volume of ethylene glycol and volume of water, we can also write weight of ethylene glycol divided by density of ethylene glycol. Density of ethylene glycol is given as 1.12 and weight of water divided by density of water that is 1 gram per centimeter cube and this is equal to 1 by x. सिंप्लीफाई करके लिखेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा weight of ethylene glycol divided by weight of water into 1.12. Now 1.12 को इक्वेशन की राइट हैंड साइड में ले जाएंगे so it becomes 1 by x into 1.12. Now weight of water को ग्राम से कन्वर्ट करेंगे kgs में so weight of water will be divided by 1000. Now this 1000 goes to the numerator and we get the weight of water in kgs. अब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई किया है 1000 से therefore right hand side of the equation को भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1000 से. So on the right hand side of the equation we get 1 by x into 1000 into 1.12. Now weight of ethylene glycol को डिवाइड कर देंगे उसके molecular weight से that is 62. The right hand side of the equation also we will divide by 62. So it becomes 1 by x into 1000 into 1.12 divided by 62. A weight of ethylene glycol divided by 62 is equal to moles of ethylene glycol. Therefore, on the left hand side of the equation we have moles of ethylene glycol divided by weight of water in kgs which is equal to molality of ethylene glycol. So molality of ethylene glycol is equal to 1000 into 1.12 divided by x into 62. Now depression in freezing point is equal to Kf into molality. Depression in freezing point की value given है that is 10 degree centigrade and this is equal to Kf. Kf for water is 1.86 into molality की value हो गई 1000 into 1.12 divided by x into 62. Solving x की value हो गई 3.36. Therefore, volume of water is to volume of ethylene glycol is equal to 3.36 is to 1. अब 3.36 is to 1 को अगर हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें then we get the ratio as 10 is to 3.